Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about several things. First of all, what are the requirements for the upcoming airdrop in 2 days? First off, you need to own 50,000 IGG in the wallet that's linked with your account. And then you need to complete a KYC verification check. Considering you already have a IGG account. If not, right now we're on IGG website, as you can see. It's spelled IGGgalaxy.com. So go there and sign up. As you can see, here is the button, sign up now. Goes all the way down. And now it says benefits of signing up. 5,000 Intergalactic Gold, exclusive access to beta platform, access to exclusive esports competition, 3 months of free premium membership. Just fill up your name, your email, and your preferred platform. I have read and agreed to privacy policy and agree to newsletter, submit your application, verify your account on your email, and that's it. So let's log in now and go further over the process you need to complete in order to get your 1 billion piece of 1 billion airdrop. So now we're here on our account page and it says tournament competition. Do you want to participate? Yes, I'm interested already, but that's not what we're looking for now. We want to go here and click on the wallet first. If we haven't connected the wallet yet, then we need to go here, add a new wallet, click here, name the wallet, anything you want to name it. So let's say my wallet 123. Okay. So now it says TRX wallet address. I have my seeded account already connected to this one, so I'm just gonna go and make a new Tron account just for this tutorial. So go on tronscan.org, go on open wallet, create a wallet, and input any password. I'm just gonna input anything I want because I'm not gonna save it as this account will never be used. So next, download your encrypted key. I'm not gonna download it, but do not lose it. If you download it and you will need it at some point, if you're gonna store funds on this account, make sure you download your encrypted key and that you remember your password. Your password will be used to unlock this encrypted key. Okay, next. This is your private key, which you need to copy and store it somewhere. Only you will know where it is. I'm just gonna copy it so I will be able to open this same wallet here later. And that's it. Get 50,000 IGG either from Tronscan by inputting IGG here or by joining us on our community on Telegram. I will leave the link in the description below. So let's go. Copy this, press next. Go to your account page. Okay. No wallet view. Loading wallet. Sorry about that. It was a bit slow. So now it says address here. You click here and it says copy to clipboard. Okay, that's perfect. Now we have it copied. Now we go back to Intergalactic Gaming account and under the name My Wallet, we just paste our wallet address. In case you already have 50,000 IGG on that wallet, from that side you are safe to say you can participate in our 1 billion airdrop. Add wallet. Okay, now the wallet is here. It says my wallet 123, and this is the address. Everything is perfect. So press here again, and press here and settings. This is the final step, the QIC and AML verifications. So it says account verification unverified. Okay, to ensure that all Galaxians are behaving and only have one account, will require specific details to be provided that comply with QIC and AML direct tags. Please ensure all details are inputted correctly for a smooth verification process. This will then enable us to distribute the 5,000 IGG bonus to all verified accounts. And then now there is a question, do we require this in order to participate in the airdrop? Yes, you do. And why are QIC and AML important? QIC stands for Know Your Customer Directive, and AML stands for anti-money laundering. So those two are mandatory by European governments, and as such, we need to fill them up in order to be able to use this platform. So let's go ahead and do it. It says my name, Goran, okay, my last name, okay, address line, whatever, address line 2, I don't have it, okay, date of birth, 07, 06, 1995, okay, city, postal code, just input the data, and at the bottom there is choose a file, browse a file, and upload it. So on the right side it says upload a verification document for a proof of your ID. So passport, driver's license, a personal ID, or something like that. I would like to ask all the Korean community members or Chinese that use simplified Chinese, or anyone else who has a bit different type of written language, to just submit its passport, as passports have English letters. Thank you for that. So choose a file. I'm just gonna use this because I'm not gonna submit it now. Let me just give you one note. Sometimes if you make a picture of your passport with your new phones, the quality of the picture can be too high, and as such can exceed the 3 megabyte limit, which is and then you cannot upload your picture and your verification fails. So just if you have a super new phone, just reduce the quality of the image in settings. Here it says upload verification document for a proof of residence. So bank statement, utility bill, and so on and so on. Okay, let's browse the picture, pick another white one. So let's say this was my bank statement and this was my ID on the right. So why do we need two separate documents? Because by regulation, it's mandatory that we provide proof of our identity on one document and proof of our residence on another. Those are needed in order to uphold United Kingdom and European Union laws. So some of you must have problem with about how do we handle our documentation and how do we save it. So all the data we're going to collect from this QIC and AML is going to be stored and encrypted on a secure server that even very few of the team actually have access to. They have multiple levels of authentication, including 2FA. So rest assured your data is properly stored. No one is gonna steal your data, and that's awesome. So now you just press on the bottom submit. Here it is, submit profile, and it says processing. Oh damn, this is not gonna be a problem because I submitted my own processing. It will just input the pictures, doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna fix it later. After this, you are good to go. Let me just give you a few more notes that in case you are underage user, you are still allowed to complete the QIC and AML process and forms. Only thing you will need is to add one of your parents' IDs along with yours, and that's it. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope it helps, and that's it. See you around for the next time.